So we are doing pre-sale support. The question is, I work with Clover and we're bringing in a new grocery store, and they have two scale models. One of them is Ishida BC 3000. It looks like this. This is the scale. And the other one is Ishida Uni 3. And the scale looks like this. Now, both of these will work just fine with the app that we call Variable Price Barcode Parser. This is the label that these scale produce. And the reason why I say that the Variable Price Barcode Parser is the app, because you can see that the total price, $337, is embedded in a barcode. You can see it right there, 337. And so that's a price embedded barcode, and therefore we will be using Variable Price Barcode Parser. And this is the demonstration of how to set that up. Okay, and we start off by installing this app. It's called Variable Price Barcode Parser, and you want to make sure that your configuration is complete and that app is ready for use. These steps here need to be done in the settings, right here. So we go into the settings and we navigate to accessibility. And after accessibility, we go to the Variable Price Barcode Parser. And in here, we just do the use services. We turn it on like this. And after the app's been turned on, we are ready to do the setup of inventory. And I'm going to use this label that I have as an example of how we would set it up. So here's the label. And I'm just going to go ahead and add an item. Cancel. We'll add an item and we'll call it FM or IFM. All right, and we'll make it variable price, right? And in the product code, we're going to enter the first 6 digits, but we're going to ignore that 2 because it doesn't get picked up even by the barcode scanner. So it'll be 2 followed by 3 zeros and a 2 4. So 2 1 2 3 2 4. That's 6 digits. And that's it. That's all there is to it. And now we can just go to the register app. I can get out of this, hit save, start a new register, and we can go ahead and... Oh, that's a bad angle. My barcode scanner is not picking up this barcode. So this turns out to be a different video, with the video where I tell you that this label here was printed most likely by a printhead that is bad. That's usually like a symptom when you get a printed barcode that doesn't scan. That's usually an indication of a bad printhead. Can you pick a barcode from another scale? Because you're mentioning that there's 2 scale units, different ones. Ishida Unit 3 and Ishida BC 3000, but there's only one label example that we got, and the one that we got does not scan. I'm just gonna find some random barcodes. Here for example, just to demonstrate that, you know, scanning usually does work from these very well. You can see right away. In fact, it even associated with one of the items there. So the scanning always works like this. It's just instant. But for some reason, your barcode, the one that we have here, does not. So I would blame the printhead most likely. But generally, yes, the Ishida Unit 3 and Ishida BC 3000 will work just fine if this barcode can be scanned. I'm going to try one more time using the camera here. And nope, it doesn't do it. But let me just demonstrate how easy it is usually. So I'm just going to grab this random barcode. See, it's instant. And yeah, so barring that issue with the barcode, the scale is totally compatible and will work just fine.